Let's paint a creative starry sky. First, the materials are a sheet of black construction paper, paints in several different colors, glitter powder, and a block of sponge, or the sponge your mom uses to wash dishes, as well as a used toothbrush. Dip the sponge into the darkest blue paint. Only a little bit. Now, stamp on the construction paper with the sponge. Look, you can see some clouds in the night sky. Then, stamp on the paper as you wish. Okay, now take another block of sponge and stamp purple clouds. Wow, more and more stars are shining in the sky now. Let's stamp in all different colors, from the darkest to the lightest. Now, let's draw some scattering stars. Dip some white paint with the brush. Then slightly flick the brush. Wow! So many little stars. Now let's scatter some bling glitter powder to make the starry sky shiny. Let's be creative to decorate the starry sky. I'm gonna draw some colorful planets. Boys and girls, you can use your fingers to draw as well. Wow, this is my colorful universe. And then stick some star-shaped tags on it.